First off, I want to say that money mindset is about you aligning with what you already have and letting your system feel abundance. I would say that if there is a main money mindset, no matter what you come from in America, it is sense of lack. And all we're hearing in the news with Ukraine having war and gas prices and inflation, all we're hearing is fear, 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 fear about money, sense of lack, sense of lack, sense of lack. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Shit's going to get bad. Shit's going to get bad. It's nothing but fear. Okay. Very similar to what we recently went through historically with COVID. Fear, fear, fear. So when it comes to your money mindset, let's agree that just like when I talk about emotional things, fear is not going to be the thing that lets you access your best thinking and your best relationship with money. So let's get fear out of the way. For Lori, let's all take a moment, whether you're here live or later, let's take a moment to send Lori some love. She figured out in the craziest housing market in history how to finally buy her home. Let's take a moment to feel the bigness of that. Oh, it's going to make me choke up a little bit and tear up. You realize what kind of accomplishment that is for someone who is saying, I had no healthy examples in front of me, and you own a house, madam. That's quite amazing. Can you let yourself just feel that? How lovely that is. That you have done so much right to be able to get there. Now, the human psyche and the human condition since caveman days has been programmed to look for what's wrong, what's bad. That's about us sticking our head outside of the cave and it not being advantageous to go, look at the beautiful sky, look at the pretty flower. That wasn't advantageous. What was advantageous was to go, is there a bear? Is that a storm coming? Do we need more firewood? Is there a predator? So we have evolved out of a sense of survival and safety to look for what's bad or wrong. So when that comes to money, that has taught a lot of us that the right way to be with money is scared, feel fearful, down on yourself, regret, shame. And when we're in shame about how we spend, about how much we've made, about how much we've saved, about how much debt we're in, that does not help us sit down and deal with it. That shame encourages us to want to put a blinder on and go, I am not looking at that. You know what? Screw it. I'm just going to buy something on Amazon. Or screw it. I'm going to treat myself and buy the $45 entree or the $27 entree. Screw it. Whatever. I'm not even going to think about it. So to be able to think about money more, to be able to respect your relationship with money more, we want to start holding it more in the light. When we talk law of attraction, okay, I often hear a lot of people misconstrue that. Law of attraction things say things like, do the things that feel good. Spending didn't feel good to me in my younger years, and saving didn't feel good to me in my younger years. It was all fear all the time, no matter where I looked, no matter what I did, no matter what I didn't do. Fear, 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 money, 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 scary, 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 wrong, 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 bad, 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 shame, shame, shame. The law of attraction is, what it means by that is whatever we are going to do, we need to get in alignment, or it serves us to get into alignment with that feeling good so that we are doing things from a place of goodness, of lightness, of ease. And as we practice that more and more and more, that starts to build momentum.